Making basic noodles from scratch is a rewarding and fun process that can yield deliciously fresh pasta. Here's a step-by-step guide to making noodles. Step 1. Gather ingredients and tools to make noodles. You need simple ingredients and tools. The essential ingredients are all-purpose flour, eggs, a pinch of salt, and a little water if needed. For tools, you will need a rolling pin, a clean surface for kneading, a knife for cutting the noodles, and a large pot for boiling them. Step 2. Mix the dough. Start by creating a small mound of flour on your clean surface. Make a well in the center and crack in the eggs, adding a pinch of salt. Using a fork, beat the eggs lightly, then gradually incorporate the flour while stirring. If the dough seems too dry, add some water a teaspoon at a time until it comes together. Step 3. Knead the dough. Once the mixture has formed a ball, knead it by hand. Push the dough down and forward, folding it back on itself and turning it slightly. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Step 4. Rest the dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap or cover it with a bowl and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out later. Step 5. Roll out the dough after resting. Divide the dough into manageable portions. Roll out each piece on a floured surface to your desired thickness. For thinner noodles, roll the dough until it's paper thin. Step 6. Cut the noodles once rolled. Fold the flattened dough over a few times, being sure to sprinkle with flour to prevent sticking. Use a sharp knife to cut strips to your desired width. Step 7. Boil the noodles. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Drop the noodles in, stirring occasionally. Cook them until they are al dente, typically between 2 to 4 minutes, depending on thickness. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Drain the noodles and serve them with your favorite sauce or simply drizzle with olive oil and a sprinkling of Parmesan. Enjoy your homemade noodles. Remember, making noodles is both an art and a science. Practice and patience will yield perfect pasta that can be used in many dishes from around the world.